let's be honest, life can become a bit of a routine, a bit dull, a bit boring. But if you add gratitude to your life, every single moment can be extraordinary. Not at the beginning, obviously, when you start, it's not like that. But if you add gratitude, it means that you are not taking any moment for granted. You are actually grateful to be alive. By being grateful for being alive and not taking it for granted, you don't even take a single breath without being grateful. And that's how you make your life from ordinary to extraordinary. What else do we need to say about this quote? Just go to the bank of gratitude, take out the biggest loan you can possibly imagine, and spend it freely. Give that attitude of gratitude to yourself and others. Spend everything you possibly can, and you will never ever be asked to reimburse this gratitude. You will just be encouraged to spend it freely because you will never run out of credit when it comes to gratitude. So go ahead, be grateful, and bankrupt yourself with gratitude. I've quit drinking 20 years ago and I have no regrets. But one thing I would definitely get drunk on is gratitude. There is never enough gratitude. You can always be grateful. It's not a waste of time. It will only make you high on life and make you a more loving, more compassionate, more joyful, more peaceful person for yourself and for others. The best way to encourage someone is to see the good they have in them. Forsake what is bad. Do not always point the finger at the worst they have in them. If you do so, you are actually feeding the worst that is in them and encourage the worst that is in them to actually grow. The same applies for what is good. So the more good you see in them, the more they are encouraged to be good. So by being grateful for how good they are in certain aspects of their life, the better this person will be, and the more insensitivized that person will be to actually become a better person. That's